We enjoyed Disney's Blizzard Beach water park on our last trip. This year, 2025 Disney is giving free passes on your arrival day to either water park if you book a Disney Resort hotel.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
How did you feel? Cold. 10 and it was good.
Hold on the sun.
There are two water parks, Disney's Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon, and they alternate being open throughout the year.
Hold on the sun.
It was nice to have a relaxing day at the start of our trip.